Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida Licensed Realtor, Florida Licensed Home Inspector in Notary Public. So I'm in this Park Square home section called Avalon Ridge. This is over in Winter Garden, and it's off of Avalon Road. Mostly dirt right now, as you can see. It's dirt, it's grass. That's always how communities start. It does have some water off to the left, and I don't know if you can see it, or maybe you saw it when I pulled in. Maybe not. There's a lot of grass and hills in the way. Eventually it'll probably be leveled down a bit once I start getting more of these home sites ready. Yeah, that's okay. Look, I thought it was kind of jammed up at the end. Please check out my website at richnotohomes.com. I always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each community's page. If that home is listed on the MLS, so check it out. Check out the comments below for more information, or the description section. Please like, favorite, share, subscribe, and all that great stuff. Help keep the channel going. And again, this is right over Avalon Road in Winter Garden. It's in a fantastic section, but you know what? Most of Winter Garden is fantastic. Maybe the only part that I don't like 100% always like as much is the Highway 50 part, but otherwise Winter Garden's an amazing town. It's a huge town too. And this is just down the road from Alexander Ridge. So Alexander Ridge is just to the left over here. And this is Avalon Ridge. Again, Park Square homes. Rocky and unpaved. I wonder why they paved everything except for the end of the road. Having a good time speaking right now. It's kind of strange though, just to have the end of the entryway, or the beginning of the entryway, I guess it depends on how you look at it, unpaved. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder, and what I mean by they is the salespeople, the sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me, they've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you are 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where, your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.